Welcome to the another video of cooking. Today we're making Bhuna Bagun. So let's go straight to the video. Coriander leaves 1/4 cup. Few green chilies. Now blend it. Blend is done. Few eggplant slices. Mix it. Oil 1/4 cup. 2 dry chilies. Lightly fry. Add eggplant, turmeric mix. Fry, lightly brown. Small amount of oil, onion chopped 1/2 cup. Fry, lightly brown. Water amount. Again, water amount. Water 1 cup. Add the fried eggplant. Add coriander paste. Bhuna Bagun is done. Now serve. Try it once. Thanks for watching.